Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss application of switch network or circuits. See, a switch network is a collection of wires capable of carrying current from one point to another point and various switches in between, each capable of creating a gap in the wires. Okay, so first we'll discuss about simplest kind of a network. It is a single wire. See, single wire is an example of simplest kind of network, and it carries current from one point A to another point B. Okay, one point A to another point B. Next, we'll discuss about single switch network. See, okay, if we put a single switch in the wire, then it will become single switch network or circuit. Okay, if it is closed, okay, we can take the truth value as T, then there is a flow of current from A to B. Okay, and if it is open, then the truth value is F, then the current does not flow from A to B. Here, so for a single switch network, we'll consider as two possibilities only, true or false, closed or open. Okay. Next, we'll discuss the important combinations, that is series combination. Okay. Series combination of network and parallel combination of network. In real life, we'll be using series combination will be like this. Okay. We'll be having two switches P and Q in between the wire. Okay, here see, if P is closed and Q is closed, then the current flows from A to B. If P is closed and Q is open, then current does not flow. Here does not flow. Okay, in third case, if P is open, then the current does not flow. If Q is closed, also no issue. Okay, if both switch are open, then also current does not flow. Okay, here what happening? From this, what we can say, we observe that the current flow from A to B, okay, when P and Q are closed. Current flows from A to B. So it follows the condition of, which condition it follows? It follows the condition of conjunction. See, conjunction you can see in earlier videos. Okay, hence the series combination we can use and can be used. Okay, it is true, the statement is true only when both statements are true. When both switches are closed, then only the current flows. This is about series combination. Next, we'll see another parallel combination. We'll see. So here two switches are there. See, P and Q in a parallel series they are. Okay. If we give such connection, parallel combination connection, if P is closed and Q is closed, then the current flows. Okay. If P is closed also, from this side, from bottom side, the current will flow. Current flows. Okay. If P is open and Q is closed, from top, the current will flow. Okay. When P is open, Q is open, when both switch are open, then the current does not flows. Okay. See here, if you observe, okay, it follows the condition of disjunction. See. Okay. The current, when it does not flow, when both the switches are open, when both statements are false. Okay, then only the current does not flow. So hence the parallel combination we can use RC. The connectivity R can be used. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.